Lord Rama's journey from Ayodhya to Lanka. As Lord Rama travelled from Ayodhya to Lanka, wherever he placed his footsteps, temples, ponds, and Ramayals were established at those sacred sites. After returning to Ayodhya, he must have undertaken many projects, such as building temples, palaces, ashrams, and hermitages. However, we are highlighting the notable works he did during his exile. Parnakuti, leaf hut. When Rama reached Chitrakoot, he built a Parnakuti, leaf hut, near the confluence of the Ganga and Yamuna rivers, as advised by sage Bharadwaj. He lived there and later taught the tribal people and forest dwellers how to build similar huts. He built Panakutis in other places he visited, including Panchvati in Nashik, during his search for Sita, and even in Rameswaram and Lanka. Would you like me to continue translating or clarify any part? Clothing. It is said that Lord Rama, Lakshman, and Mata Sita wore clothes and wooden sandals made by themselves. Mata Sita's divine sari, gifted by Anusuya, remained pristine and clean throughout their exile. The trio wore saffron robes like ascetics. Later, they learned and taught others the art of weaving and making clothes. Shivling. According to the epic Ramayana, before attacking Lanka, Lord Rama worshipped Lord Shiva at Rameshwaram. The Shivling there is believed to have been established by Rama himself. Not only at Rameshwaram but Rama also installed Shivlings and built temples at various places during his journey. Caves. It is said that Rama created some caves in the Chitrakoot and Nashik regions. Let me know if you'd like me to clarify or expand on any part. Building the bridge. Lord Rama commissioned the construction of the world's first bridge, known as Ram Setu or Nal Setu, as Rama named it, across the sea with the help of Nala and Neela. Bow and arrow. According to legend, Lord Rama taught the forest dwellers and Tiavanbialis how to make and use bows and arrows. Notably, he also taught them agriculture during his time with them. Let me know if you'd like further clarification.